Hey guys, my name is Elijah and in this tutorial I will show you how to add emoji in text in Notion. So this one is pretty simple and straightforward, just follow my steps. Now this page is my example page, so I will set it as a example page, and here I will show you how to add this emoji type thing. So how to add emoji in text. Let's say I will write hello example page, and now I want to add an emoji. So what would I do is to type backslash and then type emoji, then select emoji right here and pick the emoji that I want. Now as you can see, when I clicked on it, it appears right here. So it is really this simple. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.